To use the table saw, lift up the red handle to loosen the grip. Move the table to the correct measurement on the right side of the fence. Try to get it as close as you can. It might take a little while. Once you have your correct measurement, make sure that the fence is set down with the red lever. Set the guard down for pieces that are 3 inches or less. You can lift the guard up as well for pieces that are less than 3 inches. Adjust the saw blade so that it's within 1/4 inch of the same height or higher as your piece of stock. Here's the piece that raises and lowers the saw blade. You can tighten it after to keep that same measurement. We also call using the table saw ripping or ripping to width. Put your jointed or flat edge up against the fence and pull the red lever. This will turn the saw on. You can push the red lever to turn the saw off as well. Here's an example of me cutting. I place my piece down, get my push stick ready, and place my jointed edge against the fence. I use my left hand to stabilize the piece, but mostly use my right hand to push it through. Once I'm close, I use the push stick to push the piece through. Turn off the saw and do not grab your scrap pieces until the saw is completely off.